Wow, way to go, David. Love that intro. Good day, Lone Star Middle School students. How are we doing? Today's a day where we're going to be able to spend some more time with our projects. If I can pull up the background here, I'll be able to show you what we're doing. Uh, so far, struggling to get that background pulled up, but hey, why not? I'll just come over here to media and I'll click on quit. Found a different way to try to get the intro into the video since those guys had spent so much time putting work into that. Those guys being Marvelli and David. Good job, guys. So let's take a look at our scientific argument that we spent last week on. I think you guys understand the whole gist of what we're talking about, human interactions on the Earth, specifically the effects of human interactions and the weather and the climate. There's not one specific, it's kind of like a two-sided argument. If you wanted to focus on a specific action, one group of specific actions like plastic trash getting into the ocean because of humans, because we created the plastic in the first place, and then and added to that would be what the humans are inappropriately or I don't know the correct word, but the trash ends up in the ocean. It gets there somehow, and we're the ones that created it. So between Walmart and between us, somehow that plastic gets lost and tossed into the ocean. Now, not all of the plastic in the ocean is because somebody threw it away. Sometimes accidents happen and things happen. Flooding happens and it comes into your town, and you may not be ready for it, and there might be bags that are washed away. A lot of that happened in Japan a couple of years ago when they had a massive earthquake just off the coast of the country, and then there was a tsunami that flooded the land, and then when the wave pulled back into the ocean, it took a lot of garbage with it. Big thing this week is starting to try to gather evidence and examples of those pieces of evidence. You do need to have a claim. Like I don't believe that human interactions have anything to do with the effects of the rising temperatures. I don't believe that the global warming or the excessive global warming, because global warming is a normal thing. We have those gases in our atmosphere, and if we didn't have those gases in our atmosphere, we'd probably be dead because it'd be so cold. But some things could be curbed, some things could be slowed down. For a while there in the 80s, there was that hole over the ozone layer above Australia and Antarctica, and it was causing skin cancer rates to jump. So some things were done, the removal of the use of chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and aerosols had made a massive impact on in the positive for that. So not all human interactions are bad, but sometimes they are. Sometimes it just takes a little step or two to be able to affect the climate properly. Hope you guys had a great weekend. This week is full of research. If you need help, as I scroll down on my scientific explanation or argumentation page, I've got some sources down here, and I've got some of them listed under agree, not sure-ish, and then disagree. Perhaps you'll take a screenshot of this and get to some of those links. Just typing in the problem into Google or into Newzilla will get you climate change or global warming. Will get you going down the path of finding the articles you're hoping to read. So this week is research week. Last week is going to be a full summative grade this week, and then the 2 more weeks that we have left after this week. So we'll end up with 4 summative grades for this scientific argument. Hope you guys are putting in some really good effort. Hope you had a great weekend. The weather was awesome. I hope Mother's Day went well and you treated your moms right. Have a great day, guys. See you later.